Feeling cold or tired? This ginger rasam will fix it in minutes. One sip and you'll feel it like home. A cooking machine has made it, and it's a simple method. Let's start and see the recipe. This is ginger rasam and all the ingredients are listed here. In this first step, you have to put all these ingredients over here. Grinding whole spices. Let me start. The grinding is over. Now the first step is complete. We have kept the mixture over in this plate. And let's go to the third step. All these ingredients are listed over here. I will put it in. We have put all these ingredients and I will start it. Now the step is done. We have to put tomato and turmeric. Now I have closed the lid. Let me start. See how tomato is sorted. This is the paste, coriander, salt and parsley. Let me put it in this. And this is tamarind. Finally, we have put water and I will start. And see the rasam, it's finally ready.